Alright.
Bro, I gotta get my CME data sorted. It's actually annoying.
Well, it just doesn't work.
Cause like I reactivated my Fun and Futures accounts, right? Like as in
Mm-hmm.
like I bought the expert and I couldn't link it up for the past like 4 hours straight. I couldn't link it up. And for my what you call it, live accounts, I've been only using Tradeovate to trade it instead of using CME data,
Mm-hmm.
like the trading view. So now I'm just stuck using Tradeovate only and then looking at the free data. I think I might buy it actually.
Okay.
Let me see. How much does it cost? It's not expensive. I could. It's like 49 euro for the premium.
Yo.
It's like $50. I think I'll just buy plus
Mm-hmm.
because I don't need seconds. Users, second pesos. Which one do you have?
For the plan,
Yeah,
I have the whichever. I think I have premium or something.
premium. Okay, so the most expensive one.
Yeah.
Okay, I might have to get
I get like
both.
1 second charts.
But I don't need that.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. I literally look at higher time frame on him. This is boring.
Хуйни, бля.
Mm.
John, lucky streak. Am I muting your mics?
Давай.
No way.
I'm in this short on oil. On my FTM.
Up 3.1k for the day. Very good job, son.
Oh, Tesla, what up?
Yeah, what's good, bro?
What's good?
Nah, nothing, bro. The market's so boring.
I wouldn't say, yeah, it is a bit boring. That's true. I feel like like in the morning, it was so clean. Like on every forex pair I checked, it was so clean. Gold had a clean move, like 6 o'clock as well. So
But you,
I
you
think,
know I'm not on at that time, so like,
yeah, it's kind of annoying.
yeah.
It's kind of annoying. Gold had a nice run, but had no retracement and entry, so I didn't get in that. So I could use order blocks. I think oil is the only thing I got in at 8:30. It's a CL. My stops are break even because it's way too sloppy. Okay, 9:30 open is. Let's check. Let's check.
I just go to the gym whenever. My routine, I hit a lot of stuff until I'm tired. I go from whatever I didn't hit yesterday. So,
University.
shoot.
What's up?
So, for example, I hit arms, back, chest, just stuff like that. And hello, John.
I'd like continuation on NQ lower.
FOMC minutes. FOMC minutes is baby FOMC. It's very weak.
Let's see. Yeah, that's one.
Yo, Iconic, you went short on oil?
Mm-hmm.
I saw the 4-hour model, but I'm not too sure about it. Wasn't gonna trade oil today.
Yeah, I mean, the the only thing I was interested in is like a rebalance lower to the 50%, or at least these lows down here.
Oh yeah, me too, me too.
These are way too smooth for me just to keep buying. And we had the London expand higher, not too strong of an expansion, and then we had the London reversal back down, and we see London's low, Asia's low get taken out, and I just want to take these as well. Respecting the 4-hour main, that's my
I
main
was
idea.
I was gonna look for the first fair value gap in the discount range, but like I don't think I'm gonna get the entry anymore. So I just let it go.
It is running it. Let me check my Nifty one sec.
Bro, it's almost been 3 years since the 2022 mentorship. They dropped it January 19th.
I am up 1.6.
That's insane.
We could close. Could. I'm gonna wait for my -2.
Now ICT is just milking his YouTube money.
Whoa, whoa.
Whose mic is that? Is it Arkham? I think it's Arkham.
I'm not sure.
Let me serve.
He has
Tesla,
a
speak again.
he has a good mic.
I
Okay,
have a good mic.
Yeah, I know it's your mic. I know you have a good mic, but I heard the echo from your mic.
It was Arkham.
Yeah, I heard like.
He got the microwave mic.
Hmm.
No, I fixed my mic.
Good.
Did you catch any trades today, Termate? Did you catch any trade today? What's up, BC?
I caught about one break even and one loss.
Okay,
Because
that's
Ooh.
the fuck- Yeah.
just wait for actual thing to show up. It'll be good.
New York was fucking consolidating, so I didn't take any New York.
So let's check news. So we have 8:30 unemployment claims, which happened, and the ADP
9:15.
pitch.
9. Yes.
Yeah, 8:15, and then we have FOMC meeting minutes. So, personally, since we took out this low, but we have all these unestablished lows down here, like smooth lows, I want to see lower during PM, and we could range around here and get like a lunch session grind bounce.
Wait, you're bearish on NQ?
I am quite bearish.
You're crazy, bro.
Same for me, same for me. I could see like a 5-minute breaker. I'm seeing
How
like a
is
5-minute
not
EDP.
bearish?
There's SMTs with previous day low, and then
Previous day low?
yeah.
I don't see it.
Oh, with like oh, I can
Dow?
tell you.
Oh, I don't look at Dow for SMT.
No, with ES2.
ES and NQ.
ES, and so Dow didn't sweep out the low, and then Nasdaq and MIX did,
I'm bullish actually.
I'm
and
more
then
buttered by
you
that.
you have Sessions AMD,
Session for
and then you could probably like target like the new week opening gap like EQ.
let me see where's I'm more bearish because of how the weekly profile is running.
Yeah, no, but I feel like Wednesday's probably like a good bullish move. SMTs, Sessions, and then Equilibrium, new week
Yeah.
opening gap.
I'm bullish.
My general understanding is that.
Yeah, forget your
Look at
general
Dow.
understanding, bro.
Let me just look at Dow. Because I don't see it, but you could like
I'm
have
skipping
one.
school. Again.
Nah, I don't see it.
Nah, this man is not skipping school. Fucking capping.
I honestly don't see it.
Hey, you don't see that? I sent the picture.
Let me see. I don't see bullish. Like I'm not exactly looking at that, right? If we want to see that work, we need to expand higher. So I'm not looking for long setups until
I know, I'm just chilling though. I'm waiting for I mean, it's just a weird week. It's NFP week, I think. So we don't really want to be trading. Of course, I'm not gonna trade this. This is bull. I'm just chilling out. Presenting gap right here. I'll mark out a presenting gap, but that's probably the most I'll do. I'll just wait for my model to form. It's not time yet. I'm just here to answer questions, help some people out, and then I just trade my model whenever it's time. Yeah, conditions are terrible. That's what you're getting right. I haven't seen a high probability setup for my model form. I'd say since last week. This entire week I haven't seen anything. There's so much people blowing their accounts. I'm not even kidding. I'm here. I'm sitting here. I have a bunch of students. They take a $300. Like, bro, I'm down $300. All sorts of stuff. And then, out of nowhere, I leave them for an hour. Bro, I'm done for the day. They send me a screenshot. They're down 2K. It's crazy stuff. So far up on a funny 100K account. Yeah, just demo. I am 2 days away from a payout. Just $500 away from a payout, then I get a payout. But I don't care about that. I'm trying to get my main goal is passing 50K accounts that I'm trading right now. I'm copy trading those. I'm just trading a 25K funded account for fun, I guess. I don't really have a reason to. Yes. Yo, Links. Send me a journal. I will see this.
Oh, I just see a continuation lower, I think.
I'm requesting access.
I see continuation lower only. Again, like candle tree, closures bearish. So I see candle for continuation lower. Close the
Alright, I'm in.
profile. Monday trades higher,
No, I'm not in.
and then we see check out.
You in right? You going to trade right now?
Wait, could you go over your weekly profile again?
So basically, weekly open, we trade higher without an established low. So if you check on the lower time frame, we have no proper established low down here, right? And then we trade higher. We into internal range liquidity. We create the change of state delivery that we want on a higher time frame, respecting the previous day's wick. So we see the previous day. Actually, I'm gonna have to buy CME data. I'm gonna buy it soon. So respect the wick, right? We trade lower, and then we see the next day open with a candle 1, 2, 3, and candle 3 is bearish, right? We close out previous day's low completely, right? If it closed back into the range, I'd probably see like consolidation. Maybe we trade it back higher, fill out this gap one more time. But like it's such a bearish close, I'd probably see lower. 1 to 2 lower. It's not 100%, but just the weekly profile looks like Monday creates the high into the internal range liquidity, right?
I see that.
Ooh. What is this? Is this 5-minute consequent encroachment respect of this BPR right here? Very beautiful. Inside of discount. Alright, let's get ready to take A plus setup. AMD. Induce this low with SMT. High probability. Support and resistance.
Support and resistance.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Also,
That's my goal.
ICT was teaching that. I went through my old notes to figure out what I was exactly trading, and he talked about it in the 3-day workshop in the 2024 mentorship. What I trade was taught in there. That's where I learned it from.
What is it? Support and resistance.
No, it's that's literally what it's
Literally,
called.
yeah.
Support PD raise. PD raise that we see uses support, and it's not just
So
for
like
value gaps.
old
It's
PDA
all
rays that are
breakers
supported
too. So
when
yeah,
inverse.
so breakers. If we respect a breaker and we inverse it, and we go
Oh,
past.
okay, so that's a
Yeah.
BSSB.
Yeah, kinda. That was the first BSSB. That was bull though. Some people are leaking that model like they're Enigma. That was the worst model I've ever made, if I'm being honest. That wasn't even supposed to get out. First 10:15 version. I'm gonna go take a look and see if it was playing out yesterday, because I haven't been on that for a while. But there's still some people I know trading. They use it as their one model. Okay, boom.
Which
Open 10:50.
oh,
It's this way long right here. So we open, we would be long instantly off the open of this candle.
Mantas.
Huh.
You
What?
have to share screen for Discord.
Oh yeah, you're right. I didn't even see. I was streaming on the. Here, look at this. Okay. This isn't even 10:50. First inversion for value gap. There's
I
none
wanna
here. Push up.
react off this.
Okay, so yeah, you get your long right here. This is the BSSB. First model I ever created on my little journey to create a model. This would be it.
So targeting the nearest fair value gap.
No, not really. Just targeting as much handles as I want. That's how it was. Now it was lawless. If you saw the previous, oh jeez, I forgot that was there. If you saw the previous executions or that stuff, it hit really well until price looked like this. But
Yeah.
getting stuff out of funny clips.
I don't want reaction.
Alright, let's see this. Open. Where's our inverse?
Let's rip. Let's rip.
Right, so I have a SIB. So if we're expecting a SIB, we look for a BC to inverse. And if we inverse it, then we go. But there's nothing here. And that was just strictly during 1050. That's how I ran up my P&L on the top step pundits, if I'm being honest. I was using that model. It was reckless to trade it though. So here we go, 1050. Look, we're respected by SIB. We inverse this gap. This is shorts.
That's it.
That's the first inversion for value gap of 1050. Alright, respect constant encroachment of discount BPR, run up into 930 gap. I want to see if we can push out because this is AMD right here. Quarterly indicator? What do you mean? There's no quarterly indicator.
Mantas, what the fuck is this market movement,
No
bro?
way. You're here. Hello, beginners. It's
Beginner trader. I'm gonna take a partial. I can't look at this anymore.
Bro, it's ugly as fuck. I've been in this trade for like an hour and a half, and I can't fucking decide what the fuck the market's doing.
ooh.
I think it's longs, guys.
Yo,
It's definitely
Livex.
long, that's for sure.
do you want me
This
to
is
go
a
over it
market.
publicly? Are you okay if I go over it publicly, like right now, on my main screen?
What happened? What happened, market? What's wrong, market?
It's just
I don't
fucking
see a problem.
consolidating. It's doing nothing.
Yeah, I mean, I guess that makes sense.
It's doing absolutely no. Bro, I've been in this trade for like.
What are you trading?
One hour and
Trade,
a
bro.
half.
What trade are you
What
in?
trade are you in?
trade are you
Alright,
doing?
hold on. Okay, chill. Hold on. Fuck.
The only trade I see is this order block trade down.
Alright, so
Small
basically,
830 expansion now.
I accidentally took a trade. I accidentally trade on 8:30. So on
Where'd you
8:30
close?
open. Hold on, give me a second to fucking explain. On 8:30 open, I entered on a 5-minute bullish fair value gap with a change in state of delivery and retracement, hoping that it is paired well. It being paired with a market maker model, it will fucking expand immediately. But no, because the market today looks like shit.
No, I think you're shit.
Bro, look, bro, there's a perfect market maker model.
Let's see. What,
fuck?
5 minute 830. Where's 830?
Right,
930 market open.
No, 8:30 market. And
8:30.
there should be a
So
fair value gap.
830 news.
8:30 news. When the fuck was news at 8:30?
Unemployment claims on NQ.
Yeah, but it wasn't like that fucking heavy. It was like
Yeah, but,
yellow
like,
folder
you
news.
traded 830 exactly.
It was yellow folder. It wasn't red folder.
Unemployment claim is not yellow.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
He's
not.
colorblind, but let him go.
No, it is red, bro.
It's red.
It's red.
Okay, wait, what's going
Unemployment
on?
claim has never
Hold
been
up,
yellow.
hold up.
Never been yellow.
Alright,
I'm
I'm
checking my
just
US oil. I'm tripping. Wait, hold on.
I'm checking for this.
Yo,
I'm stressing.
Livex. Can I go over your journal on the thing? On the
This is painful.
stream.
I want more
This is
sleep.
painful to watch, bro.
You're fine.
It is.
It's very painful.
Is EC1 in here?
Yo, which? What?
Bro, EC1? I don't even want to go live during this. This is ridiculous. What am I gonna do? I can't do anything here. I'm just sitting here watching accumulation most of the time. Okay, let's see
Yeah,
this.
it's not pricing in yet.
It's not pricing in. What do you mean? It's been an hour.
The only big movement I saw is from the fucking London, and I didn't even get a setup. God damn, that was ugly.
Yeah, trading it gets boring. Well, I mean, it's supposed to be boring. It's just it's not worth the time considering the opportunity that's going to be presenting itself. Because the way I actually trade, I like to treat it more as a business. If the conditions are bad or they're low probability, I'm not gonna sit here to be at a net negative or push bad habits or do anything to sabotage my trading. So in bad conditions like this, I really don't have a reason to be trading. I'd rather be sitting out, doing something else, working on something to be more productive, either reading, working on my social medias, anything in that regard. So trying to trade through bad conditions like this is kind of it's counterproductive for me. So I don't really don't prefer it because most of the time it's either going to be a loss or something bad is going to happen. But we'll see how this goes. I'm probably going to have fun. It's FOMC minutes. FOMC minutes is baby FOMC. It doesn't really have an effect on the market. On FOMC, yeah, it'd be bad, but it's because of NFP. We're on the Wednesday of NFP, and it's a bank holiday tomorrow. So it's the day right before bank holiday, and we have NFP. So it's just ridiculous. This is up prices though. I'm chilling though. I'm gonna wait for my model to form because it's either gonna give me a tiny loss, not fill me, or something good will happen. I'll hit a take profit.
I'm
That's what I have to say about
like
you.
I think I
When you hate reading, do you not have enough patience? Well, I mean, I actually like reading. I enjoy it. I've been reading ever since I was a kid, if I'm being honest. Every time I read books that I like, mainly business related, because they give me mental clarity. I actually read very often because they give me a sense of confidence. Just because that's off. It's like a hobby of mine. I like to read because it gets my eyes off the screens and I learn a lot. I have a bunch of business books I read and I genuinely enjoy it. Yeah, it's a bank holiday tomorrow, but oh shoot, accident. I'm good. I need to pull up our SMTs to see if I'm gonna find a trade here. Oh, we are running lower. We have SMT lows, I'm pretty sure. Okay, this is gonna be something I'm gonna try framing for a run up higher. Kids are just talking in the server. I don't want to listen to them. It's a federal holiday. It's a federal holiday.
need your guys
Nah,
like get
bro.
out of here, bro.
Rejection.
I'm gonna
He's
ban
my
this guy. I'm
twin,
gonna
bro.
ban this guy.
Yeah, that's the last thing I want to listen to. I'm just gonna stream the YouTube. So, what we have here. I'm watching for no run above the high. Oh yeah, this is actually really good. I want to see us run lower, form any type of PD rate, push us lower. Then I'll take a really low size long on the funded. If it's an A plus setup, then I'll take it on the 550Ks, but as of now. Probably something like this will end up giving me a trade. Should be in line with her. Let me see, a 10-hour bar 3 open is going to be lower here. I want to see rebalance. Okay, I'll turn this off. I'm going to just relax now. I'm gonna take the black sheep and just refugee in the other server. The hell, I almost feel so close, but yet so far. Okay, let's see what we have right now. Okay, SMTs are being invalidated. We gotta form something internally right here. The sizing's gonna be insane. I don't wanna deal with this. Not an A+ model. I'm going by my grading system. This isn't even a model I'm gonna take yet. I need to see some SMT within the lows. So preferably we have 3 drives at the lows, and then we have an inversion for value gap. So yeah, sweep plus IFVG. Most people are right about that. Should be good. Constant encroachment in respect to this BPR. This should be low of day because this is the protected low. We ran to discount. Everything looks good for the run higher. We're already forming SMT at the lows. All I really need to see now is one of the pairs start running up higher. I'm unfunded right now, or I'm trading funded on a funded account because I don't care. I'm not scared of conditions. I'm bullish because I'm anticipating SMT to form. If my model's gonna form, I'm gonna take this. So if I see everything I want to see, then I'm taking a trade. If I don't, then I'm not taking a trade. It has to be everything. Yeah, I am carrying out with the psychology notion. It's just I'm making videos for psychology instead, so people can actually listen to it rather than just reading it. But that's a project I have on the side for the psychology notion. I know exactly what I need to see though for my trades work done. Hard to explain, but. We're not taking this, by the way. No one take. Also, I'm not taking this trade. What do you mean I'm tweaking? What do you mean I'm tweaking?
Mantas is tweaking.
What do you mean I'm tweaking?
Like, you're mad because you didn't get the SNT low.
Yeah, I know. I'm not taking the trade. I'm serious. What? What are you talking about?
Yo, how's the charts?
Charts are alright. I'm not taking
Send
the trade.
lower.
It will send us
Create
lower. It's gonna
SNT.
form my model.
It's gonna form your model. Exactly, bro. Look at that
Yeah, I know.
reaction.
That guy's a fag. Yeah, I have a psychology series I'm working on. What else do we have in here? I gotta fix most people's psychology because that's what they struggle with most. Okay, so close above this high probability order block. Not a good sign. I don't want to take that. I'm not gonna get a third drive. I would want to see at least an SMT low with ES. All we have is SMT low with YM and we're pushing lower still. Just gotta set that up. OT, psychology, some progress, do hurry though. Okay. Some videos for psychology. ICT Twitter spaces are good. So this is the high probability order block right here. Not good at all. Please give us a third drive. What I want to see is run through this low to form our third drive. Push up higher. Bang. Okay, what's one more thing I had to talk about? I completely forgot. Psychology. I don't really have anything on psychology. You gotta master yourself outside of trading. Have something to do, have a life. Otherwise, it'll screw you over. Have discipline outside of the charts, it'll correlate to within the charts. It's very important to do that. This isn't looking good. I mean, I guess it's decent, but it's not what I want. C minus model. So boom, we retrace to here. Very C minus. If we had better conditions, I'd assume it'd be better, but I'm not gonna expose my account to unnecessary risk. Yo,
Nothing tomorrow.
Boy.
what's going on?
Yeah, chill, bro. Chill. You gotta calm down, stay composed.
This is the proper entry right here for the model. I'm not taking it because we didn't get what I want, but
Oopsies today.
Yeah,
FOMC minutes. It's baby
It's
FOMC.
minutes. It's nothing. It's minutes.
It's nothing.
Literally minutes.
I am trading a funded
Difference
account.
between him saying good morning and good evening.
Like, bro, it's the tie. It's not even anything else. It's just the tie.
Oh yeah, it is the tie.
Iconic, are you gonna hold your oil trade through
Mhm.
10:30?
Send it.
Yes, I am. I'm gonna hold it true. For paraballs as well.
You guys sure it's
We're gonna have a crazy run up higher.
Nah, it's reversed on you, bro.
It's reversed.
You're
on me, bro.
cooked. You're cooked, bro.
It's fine. I'm
Edgy
break
move.
even. I took partials at this low. So now it's either I'm break even and like only profit 0.7%, or it runs lower, like the good boy it is, you know.
Here is a run higher. And here is the high probability order block right here.
It's the only thing that's bugging me.
I'll just annotate it.
Like,
I'll just annotate it for the Discord. Here's the high pro. We should get the run to the high or the drawn liquidity up here. I didn't take the high probability entry, but that's fine. Because this is just more educational stuff for me. More study material for the model. That's all it is. I traded stuff I learned from ICT 2023, 2024 mentorship. It's not really a model anymore. I'm gonna stop calling it a model. It's more of just a way of trading with PD arrays I learned and looking for certain criteria of things that are in line with the daily power of 3. So mainly, a lot of my stuff is based off of higher time frame bias and narrative, like this. Running out the low inside this BPR, I want to see a reversal. I was bullish the whole day. This is going to be low of day because it's a protected low with the BPR, so I'm going to look for longs. We form a high probability order block right here. Look at this. We close above. We would have longed here. My stop loss usually goes below the order block or at the low of this fair value gap right here. And I hold up to is whatever high I want. But I'm currently looking for this. But my main goal is just to learn and call as much stuff as possible on a day like today. And get as much data forward tested as possible. Just giving me more confidence I'm able to call stuff out like this. And then eventually in the future it'll be a lot better. But still. Alright, well, listen to this. Maybe 1050 will actually offer something better. I'm done with these clowns in the shedding jet.
I need to hear a sorry from everyone.
What are you doing?
Hell nah. Hell nah.
You could look for 3-minute inversion, but it's not as clean. It's not a beautiful 3-minute in me personally.
Yeah, I don't know. Like,
I'll get in this. I'll get in this with the
What are you
I'll
getting
get-
into?
I'll get in
demo.
I'm
I'll
gonna
get in
buy
on
it.
FTMO as well for like 0.2%.
What are you getting into?
Some nasty NQ.
I can't get into it. Never mind. Oh,
Wait, oil is pushing, is it? Okay, not really. SMT.
Maybe of delayed data. That could be the reason why. Anyways, this trade is looking not bad. I'm not gonna take it though, because it'll probably just run through. It's too volatile. But I'll just watch it. Just mental data collection. $50-50. I don't want to take it actually.
Crapping all the
Yo,
retail
are the
traders.
black sheep here?
Wait, let me cook.
Okay,
let me
okay,
cook.
okay. Let me
Yo.
go.
Okay, let me
So
see.
the market maker.
Livex. How much black sheep are in
knows-
here? I want you guys to study this. Sanjay,
I'm not
Livex.
cooking, bro.
Who else is here? Okay, that's all I could see. Alright. I need you guys to study this
yeah,
entry
no, no,
and
I'm not taking this trade.
explain why it's not a good trade. Because it shows some of our stuff, but explain why it's not a good trade.
We still have 1 minute more for the close, but if you want to close, you have to close bearishly, not like
Yeah.
points
I'll
per
say,
row.
according to my model, where no liquidity was swept and we have no fair value gaps, this would not be a good place to long.
Yeah, I agree. No longs.
No
yeah.
lungs.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Let me see. Wait, 10 o'clock trades higher, so this is the hourly candle.
In
Sure.
future long.
Yeah, we're gonna inverse this gap.
10 o'clock trades higher.
This is so fucking suicidal if I do this.
Like, preserving capital is still a win, you know?
Yeah,
That might be the move
100%,
today.
100%.
Alright, I kind of go
That's all I'm
30
focusing
minute
on today.
NQ.
Yeah.
Alright, look at the swing low, right? Look up previous day low, and then it
Uh-huh.
forms a 30-minute model.
Yeah,
And
we
there's
inverse the
SMT
gap.
and then there's SMTs at the lows, and
Uh-huh.
then you get like a bullish 30-minute fair value gap. Alright, you
Yeah.
don't have to do that with your mouse, bro.
Screwed up the stop loss. It's my fault. It is bad conditions. I don't want to be trading this. I just want you guys to keep this entry in mind. Man, my stop loss should have went through that low, but that's something I'll just remember. Because this is the technical stop loss placement for the model. 1050 will offer something better. I'll look at the Gen 1 model, the first inversion, and we can go based off of them. I want a long here. I really want a long. Something's telling me to long. I like this. I like what I'm seeing.
I'm not cooking.
Bro, I really want a long.
I'm already longing.
You're already long? Why are you long, Termit? You're gonna get stopped out. Watch. You're gonna get stopped out.
Wait,
Uh,
wait.
Oh.
Or
So if we use T-spot,
Where's your stop at?
Hold on,
Yo,
let me-
whoever mentioned the 30-minute setup, I see you. Not a
bro.
bad.
SMTs, previous day low, and then session
what?
GMBs.
This is
Bro,
not good liquidity.
I've
It's not
been said
good.
that. Trust me,
It's
bro.
not good,
And
bro.
then-
Look at the lows.
Oh yeah, we are selling off right now.
Look at the
This
lows,
one's
bro.
so
Look at the lows.
dumb.
Bro, this is perfect 10 o'clock power of tree.
Okay, let's go break down the hourly what happened. Higher time frame unicorn, push lower. I really want to see a retrace up higher. If we don't form any type of sell model, then the entire day is just fried. We're not going to get a good setup at all. If we close below this BPR, that's also a bad indicator. It's actually a horrible indicator if we push above, or I mean if we push below this BPR. And then I probably won't even I won't be able to find a trade if I'm being honest. We would have had something if we could use this low power through here, but SMT is just selling off. We currently have SMT at the lows with YM. It's ridiculous right now. Also, I'm gonna shake out the signal butters. Go long right here. No, this is seek and destroy, low than high purged. You said manipulation above the high for 1 hour unicorn. Ugh. Seek and destroy profile. Clear shirts with SMT, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna say. Oh dang, we got a lot of people in voice chat. How much people is this? 25. How do I count this? I can't count how much people that is. Just a lot of people. Hello, guys. Oh yeah, I wasn't even here. I am back. Bro, I'll do the Discord. I'll play the Discord map in a bit. I'll play the Discord map soon. You're exposing me, are you serious? Okay. Can't put a word. I shouldn't, but I should. I don't like bodybuilders. My brother is a bodybuilder. I think he likes that black guy, Ronnie Coleman. Yeah, Ronnie Coleman. I said he's a good bodybuilder. The big black guy. Mike Manser. I like UFC fighters more. Fighters are more my thing. Ooh, ta-da. Shoot, I'm still live streaming. I forgot. Okay, it's fine. Welcome back, John. Just be productive. Try getting done as much as possible right now. She wants easy money. That's crazy. I texted him. I told him to go live again. Whoa, I'll fix that. 1 second. Oh, that's a good question. Yeah, I can buy the dream car actually. Marion FX, thank you, bro. Thank you very much. We're in Seek and Destroy right now. Just for the highs, lows, just staying within that range. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna get BMW M. Close to he won't reach chat no more after he hits 10k. He's gonna draw. Yeah. Okay. Of course, I'm gonna keep reading chat. What was I talking about? I can get C7, but I think I'm gonna get like a BMW M3, like a G80. Those things are crazy. I've been looking into it more, and that's probably what I'm gonna go with. Because it's either gonna be that I want to get some sort of Mercedes, but I know absolutely nothing about Mercedes. And C7, I mean, okay, it kind of changed me, honestly. I want something that looked exotic, looked cool, stuff like that. But being able to sit in an actual BMW and see how much more comfortable it is, so much better. C63S coupe. I wanted to get a Mercedes, but I know absolutely nothing about them. I tried looking for them. I don't know what I was looking at. I was looking at vans and stuff. This thing? G80. Probably G80. I want AMG if I was gonna get Mercedes, but then again, I don't know much about them. Get close to fun. It is okay. Listen to me. I don't know what 2 to 3% is. I never really learned how much 2 to 3% is. So based off 100K, that'd be making 2,000 to 3,000 a month. Bro, that's easy. I mean, for me, okay. Let me think about this. I really can't think right now. I'm sorry. Okay, so the way I'm doing this, when you are funded, what I'm doing right now, 5 funded accounts, and I'm making literally just $500 across those 5 funded accounts to make 10K a month. And of course, I make more than that through my trading. But yeah, I'd say it's not hard to make 2 to 3% per month. It really isn't. Okay, hold up. C63S. Purpose? Oh. We have that compared to something like this. I like how it looks, honestly. I'm starting to warm up to it. It is harder than you think. It's really hard to maintain. The one thing you need to master for having a funded account is your psychology. Once you master psychology, you are fine. And what I'm doing right now, it took me a while. I used to copy trade back then, but then I lost my mind. I have these periods in my life where I get extremely greedy for, like, motorcycle, for example. I had 2 funded accounts and I was copy trading them, and I wanted a motorcycle in one day. You can imagine how bad that went. He's gonna hit, yeah. When I start making 30K per month for my funded accounts, that's probably when I'm gonna start uploading that type of videos. It'll be motorcycle first, though. First thing I'm gonna buy is motorcycle, and then BMW, because I really wanna go nuts on that thing before I get a nice car and just mellow out. But yeah, motorcycle content will be better. I don't want to see people racing. I want to see this thing go really crazy. Interior is nice. Investment plans like real estate. All I really have for long-term investments is crypto. Real estate is something I will get into 100% in the future. That's probably for the best. I want to finance the car instead of actually own it. I don't really want to buy it. I bought my car and oh my, that was a nightmare. I would rather finance it. Not because of the expenses and stuff, but I want to try financing. I want to try using credit because I don't know how any of that stuff works. See what I can get. So, real estate, most of the money I have, it gets reinvested into myself, my own education, my trading. In the future, I want to have every single prop firm. When I am 18, I won't have any restrictions. When I'm 18, I'm going to have every single prop firm under my belt. Trade copied, because I have a trade copier right now that lets me trade through one account on TradingView, copies to all the other accounts I have. So, if I can be doing that, instead of just making 30K per month or however much I make, I think max accounts I can have is up to like 40, no, let's say. Top Step you can have 5. Take Profit Trader you can have 5. My Funded Futures you can have 3. And then Apex you can have like 14. So 13 plus 14. 27. So 500 times 27. That's 13K from just one day. Times it by 4. Wait, what's PEMDAS? That's 54K in 1 month, which that's kind of my goal. It's just more capital and taking extremely high probability trades. Okay, and by the way, John, the way I've done it is I completely section out my P&L, my account's money, and I just split it apart. So, yeah, that's what I said. Okay, so this is extremely important. Very good job, Nova. Okay, so when you're trading, when you hop on the charts, instead of trying to make money, boost your P&L, make money on your funded account, or make money or have like clean trades. You want to focus on improving the skill of trading. Like separate the trading from the money, from the P&L, from the actual good trades you take, and focus purely on the habits. Every single day you go into the charts, you want to be focused rather than you want to be focused on building good habits. You want to be focused like your reward is applying good habits in the market. You want to be proud of yourself for that. Because you can't just come in here trying to get money every day. It's more for me, I open the charts and I congratulate myself. I'm proud of the things I do properly to a point where it snowballs and I only apply my system now. I only apply my model because I have full faith. I have confidence and trust in my model that I trade. It is like the best model in the industry. I love it more than anything. Or, I mean, I love it more than all the models I've traded because of the results it's brought me, and I have full confidence with it. I'm able to scale my trading as high as I want, as far as I want, so it can become like an unlimited money stream for me. So, I mean, I'm trying to think of the best way to explain this. That's just the way I've done it. My speech is off, though. I didn't get much sleep. I'm just tired. I'm gonna tape read 1050, then I'm gonna hop off. I'm really hungry. Work on the server as well. Can't wait for summer though. Summer is when I'm gonna peak out. I'm just gonna spend. I don't know if I should spend a lot, but I want to get a motorcycle at the very least, and just live my life peacefully. Then I scale heavy. I blow up. Doubting it. Okay, so you're following your habits. Why are you doubting it? Let's get into that. Why are you doubting your habits? What is making you doubt yourself? Why are you having a self-doubt? Because I have self-doubt too. I feel like I'm not gonna, or my model, not my model won't stop working. I have these worries that I'm gonna get anemic and forget how to trade. Because sometimes I don't apply a certain concept for a while and I forget what it is, or I just completely clueless towards certain concepts for small periods of times. I had that in last summer, where I forgot about everything, or I felt super unconfident. I just got all depressed because I thought I couldn't trade. But in reality, it was just weird conditions and I didn't do enough market recaps. I'm not gonna lie to you, EC1, I dropped out. My mom would have lost her mind, but I handled that. No, it's at 10:30. I'm not occupied right now. Чем уйти сюда? Bro, journaling is probably the most important thing in regards of trading. Hold up, something's going on with the trade copier. Let me see. Some announcements are being made. The issue. Shoot. Okay, we're investigating the issue right now. Okay. Copying is working again. Okay. Okay, so journaling, very important. You want to journal your emotions and be completely honest. I dropped out a while ago, like right before Christmas. No, because I'm not going to school anymore. So, successfully complete. Okay, I'm gonna try the copy I'm not. Never mind. I don't want to. I don't want to get whole fiasco with that thing. Okay. And back to journaling. You have to journal your emotions. You have to have some data so you have confidence. When I was building my model, I journaled every single thing I saw, and that's what helped me build it. So I found what worked for me, and Okay, yeah, I found what worked for me, and from there I just went absolutely nuts. I don't know what these clones are doing in the Discord chat. Discord doesn't look good. Okay, let's start framing our higher time frame bias. Get some more data collection going. SMT at the lows. One filter on the low. Okay, now I'm just gonna be looking for internal lows. Current SMT internal low right now. Unlikely gonna have MDM lower. I want to just push up, leave this low as liquidity, push us into 705. That's not gonna happen. Okay. SMT with YM. Okay. I'm gonna see if there's anything that will always for clean price to form. I'm just gonna keep everything marked out. Seek and Destroy, the reason why I anticipated it was because Seek and Destroy happens when we run out, when Asia's, or what was it? When London session, this one right here, runs out Asia low and high. So we run out Asia's high and low, and we have some federal holiday tomorrow, but that aside, whenever we run out Asia high and low, that's Seek and Destroy, or that's how you anticipate Seek and Destroy, which is this right here. So, that's just my way of doing it. Not really optimal, but I have almost no data on trading my model and Seek and Destroy. So yeah, that's why I want to see what happens. I want to see, it's not really a model, I just want to see if I can see through what's happening during 1050. So it's going to be a tape read unless an A plus setup forms, so we'll see. It's looking like we're going to have to, or it's looking like the model's going to be more short biased right now. Optimally, yeah, never mind. I want to see manipulation higher. Oh shit, the YouTube chat. Yeah, there is no plan B. Well, it was burning the boats for me. That's how I made it when I was younger. And now I burnt the boats again, so like, I'm getting 3 hours of sleep working as hard as I can. So Inverse that gap. Are you serious? Not good. S&P at the high is very good actually. We're getting what I want. Okay. S&P internal high, S&P external high. Bang. S&T. I want to see this high get held. Okay, SMTYM. Oh no, she didn't try to stop me. She knows what I do. And we are gonna run this out. I'm not actually gonna put in a trade for the 550s today. It's just tape read. I don't even want to put down the entry thing because of kids trying to signal about me. So this is our S&P at the high. Yeah, never doubt yourself. Any type of self-doubt will destroy you. I'm doing fine though, genuinely. I wouldn't have done that, or I wouldn't have dropped out if I wasn't stable or confident in what I'm doing. Which I am pretty chill with what I do right now. It's just conditions aren't good, but I can handle it. I can handle like months of bad conditions. This whole year could be bad and it's still next year. Yeah, that's how it was for me. I usually just slip through all the classes though. Alright, now I gotta say run through this high. Hopefully we can run through the other high, but where we're at right now, I don't mind it. So I just want to see a run of the high with us. Ooh, this is good, yeah. I want to see us maintain and stay inside of the OTE range. I want to see us run through this high, finalize our SMT, or wait, we have SMT already. So I want to see us either hold SMT or run this out, and then our entry is off of. This is the only IFVG we have. If I have to trade inversions, this would be it. So hopefully we can get some sort of SMT high with this one, and then it's perfect. As I said, I want to see short for the model. My trade. Yeah, it's not really. Once psychology's not a problem, you just really gotta get down to your model and know what works. For me, it's just filtering out the low quality setups from the high, knowing which ones are gonna work the best and which ones won't, and that's what makes you very profitable. And when you have enough capital, you just gotta hit those high probability trades hard with a lot of size. The rest of the stuff with low probability trades, just play around with the lower size. But when you see those high probability trades, you just gotta go crazy. Heavy size. Just get a run of this high now. Strength and discipline. Oh shoot. Definitely. Make sure you're putting in a lot of effort then towards the journaling and stuff.
And that's it.
Yo, Baltic, what's up?
I couldn't make it live.
Yo, my
Yo.
this Discord's not working on my computer,
It's
but what's
okay.
up?
I might take this one micro if we get my criterion, just because I don't want to switch to vapor.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right. I just took 2 micros. I'm in 1 right now for runners.
What are you in? Long, short?
I got in longs from the liquidity sweep on the 5-minute and inverse of the fair value gap.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
And so
that-
far,
I
so
see
far-
it, but the only thing that would stop me from going longs is just the conditions. It's not a high probability day.
This is like a B tier setup. I wouldn't say C or A,
Yeah,
but
yeah, but you know,
Yeah,
you know
bro,
what
but-
power of tree is?
What?
what was that?
You know what power of tree is?
Tree.
I do, but I don't like that.
If you incorporate 1 hour power of tree, I feel like your trading would be a lot better.
I mean, I've already gotten like 40K payouts from Apex, so it's like, why do something more hard when
Yeah, don't
something?
change it. Don't change it.
Okay.
If it works, don't change it.
If it works, it
Stop,
works.
stop giving bad advice, Connor.
1 hour power of tree.
What power
No,
tree?
but
What?
it really is up to the
1 hour
person.
power
Like,
tree.
it might make sense, but for me personally, it's just like it feels overcomplicating the simple things, you know?
The only
Like, if-
power tree, yeah. The only power tree I use is like daily power tree and then 4 hour.
You don't use 1 hour?
No, it's too much, bro.
I live trading demon on backtest. Yeah, because backtesting sucks. C63 is my dream affordable car. 20K down and get 1K payments. Is that actually what you can do? Huh. I might get a C63. If it's affordable, I'm chilling with it. I don't really use a car for anything other than just getting to places. I have no reason to have a nice car other than, I don't know. I really want to run this high instead. This sucks. Price here sucks. So bad. It'd be incredible, yeah. I'm just entering because I don't want to move to paper. Yeah, regulations. There's a lot of C63s here, but I just don't know what to do. Do people mod out C63s or do they just keep them stock? Because my car is stock. Yeah, it will go a lot more. It's gonna be me shooting, going to the gym, boxing, my entire life actually. Boxing, shooting, going to the gym, buying stuff. It's gonna be a lot more than just trading. I'm taking this setup because I don't want to move to paper. So if we close below, I think you guys know the drill. Not a close below, not an entry. Чему иди сюда? Breakaway gap. We don't have one. BPR, we don't have one either. Get downpipes and exhaust systems, sometimes stage 2, but that's rare. It's kind of a movement, don't have LSD. Oh shoot, recipe for a funeral. I am good, bro. I'm taking this on funded account because a $25 loss won't really do anything to the P&L or sabotage me, because I'm only $500 away and I have to make 600, or I make 600. When I wasn't ready. I just bought it and hope for the best. I was not ready and I lost it. I lost a lot of fundeds when I tried. A lot of very angry days. And I am profitable, and I've been profitable for like the last 1.5 years, just because I was more of a conservative trader. Now I'm more aggressive. Like, I take more trades, more aggressive trades, higher risk reward trades, and most of my trades are higher probability for when I do trade. It's giving me exactly where I want my stop loss to be almost. This is perfect. Yeah, I'm off the charts too. I feel sick. I'm just hungry. Conditions are making me depressed. I'm not really too happy with it. My goal isn't to make it. My goal is just to collect data and not make any money. 30-second execution. See where we end up closing. This is gonna be rough. I gotta prepare to put this in the stats, win or lose, because this is a funded trade. It's 3, 2, 1, 30-second. There we go. Here's the short. Stop loss this high. Right here. Okay, now we are tapped in. Okay, boom, we got the tap.
Can
What is this?
tell you the real
1 to
numbers.
5.
Well, I can tell you the high.
What's going on?
Okay.
He's talking about the swing high at 10:35.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have your TP there?
Wait.
What?
10:35.
Oh. They're just saying random stuff in the chat. I go break even here, but realistically my break even somewhere lower than here. But this is just more data collection for the model. This fits my criteria, but not exactly towards what I want. This is a C+ model, which is crazy to think, but we didn't get everything I wanted for a high probability model, which, there we go, now our stop loss gets moved, and we just chill out now. Very low drawdown from entries, it's very crazy.
Close
So
on that
bad.
rate. Close it.
This is very good reaction. This is what I want to see. How much black sheep are in here in the call? We have M4, we have Farah, we have Sanjay, and that's about it. When you guys can, tell me why this is a C+ execution. And now my stop loss has been moved. So now we are able to de-risk. Okay. Now stop loss, 48 will take profit. Okay, and from here, this is a C+. I mean, this is the model I trade. It's C+ now, and now I'm busted break even. That's the way I like to say it. If I was trading my normal size, I'd be out right now with $300, but I'm not really after the money right now. I'm just proving competency through an execution. Talking to me of young traders, giving me advice, he calls him being professional. My Discord isn't professional. I don't know what these guys are talking about. That's why I was deafened the whole time. But I'm break even now.
But you said the VC's unprofessional.
When I come back, yeah.
It's trade talk, bro. It's trade talk.
Bro shitting on his own server.
Bro.
Oh, while you were deafened up, we dropped like a bunch of sauce.
Good job. $10.50, yes. Very good. It is very good.
Alright, I'm leaving. Conditions suck. Take care, guys. Good luck.
Yep, take care.
Later,
Thanks a
bro.
lot. See ya.
Later.
Okay, this is break even. First take profit. Done. No reason for us to go lower, honestly. I just want to take the execution because I saw it. I don't really care about the take profit.
Yo. Man, did you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. Baltic 1050 macro just played out like
I took
35
I know.
points. Oh, are you done? Because I'm break even. I'm done now.
I'm breaking. Yeah.
Yeah, it's already over. Our first take profit should have been this low, but we got the execution. We had like 1.75 handles of drawdown on that, so it was very good.
Yeah.
And that was it. That was just the delivery I wanted. Meant in the slow. That would have been a good scalp, but no more. I'm finished.
Yes.
Okay. Something good setup. Yeah, it's alright.
My Discord is not working on my computer.
Okay, I recorded that. It's
Man, should I gamble NFP?
No, do not gamble NFP. Also, I have a journal template that I'm using, or a Notion template I'm using. Oh, is this one right here?
Ooh. That looks cool.
Very cool. Let's see what we got. Some more SMT. What is going on?
I'm banning that guy.
No. He's a Roblox player.
Roblox player
Yeah,
gets
he's a
banned.
Roblox player. BPR here. We have SMT lows. This is technically a model. Higher probability long off of this for my model. Because it formed where we needed it to form.
I take it.
You know,
1 minute.
I'm getting off. Anyways, I think that's about it. I'm gonna end stream now. Green day for all of us. We all follow our habits. Good job, guys. You guys did very good. I'm glad you followed your habits. You stayed strict. You did everything properly, so be proud. If you protected your account, good job. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. I'll post the breakdown stuff.